following
What is it?
counties in Pennsylvania, Armstrong and
Oh,
Butler.
it's SVR
The
again.
National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Butler County in west central Pennsylvania, central Armstrong County in west central Pennsylvania, southwestern Clarion County in west central Pennsylvania until 2:15 p.m.
How many am I gonna
At
get?
1:36 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Meridian to near Katanning, moving south at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, wind gusts to 60 miles per hour and quarter-size hail. Source, radar. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Butler, Katanning, Rhymersburg, Homaker, Glendora, Shanner, Northview, Meridian, Ford City, Meadowood, Oak Hills, Sarver, Freeport, Mars. These storms have a history of producing damaging wind gusts. Move indoors immediately and stay away from windows. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at